Hi friends, hope all of you are doing good. In today's video, I will explain to you how you can embed a Google map on your Shopify store, especially on your contact page. Now, before getting into the video on showing how to add that, let me explain you why it is important and what are the advantages of adding a Google map on the contact page of your Shopify store. First, it will boost the trust and credibility of your store, which means it will gain credibility by displaying an interactive Google Map widget on your contact page. It will show the potential customers that your business has a physical presence. It will build trust in your brand thereby. The second advantage is it will give a convenient location information for your customers. What I mean by that is it will provide the visitors with accurate and up-to-date location details right on your website itself. It will make it easy for the customers to find your business by displaying a dynamic map with clear directions on your website itself. The third advantage is it will help for the local search optimization. It will optimize your website for local search by integrating the Google Maps. This will improve your chances of appearing in local search results, driving more targeted traffic to your website. The last point is this will definitely increase the conversion rate for your store. What I mean by that is this will streamline the conversion process by reducing the friction for the potential customers. By displaying a map on your contact page, visitors are more likely to convert into paying customers. You need to go to Google Maps and then search for your location there, and then you will get the Google Map page over here, and then you have to click on the share icon which is shown over here. Click on the share icon and then you have to go to the tab called Embed a Map. Then you will get that iframe link over here. Here you can choose what should be the size of the map, whether you want it to be small, medium, large or custom size. So let us choose a small map and see. So it will be, the size will be like this, and if you choose medium it will be this size, and if you choose large it will be this size. Now if you want to add a custom size, you can click on custom size and create a custom size. I'm just going to choose small, and then you have to copy this link over here. After copying that link, come back to your Shopify admin panel, go to pages section and select the contact page. After selecting the contact page, what you have to do is you have to click on this show HTML tab over here. Click on that button and then paste the link that we copied from the Google Maps and save. Now if you click on this, you can see that the Google Map is embedded over there. Now if you go to your contact page, you can see that we have the Google Map over there. Okay, now this looks too small. Maybe I think what I can do is I can go to the medium and then copy the link, and let us paste the medium one. And you can save. Now coming back to your store. Now a little bit bigger size has come. If you want to have a custom size, you can add a custom size one as well. So in this way you can add Google Map, adjust the position if you want from your theme settings, and then based on that you can adjust the design of your form as well. So this is the way how you can embed or add Google Map on your Shopify store. All of you try it and let me know if you have any questions. Do subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you like the video. Thanks for watching.